there are a lot of small hatchbacks for sale today, but which one is for you? Why don't we go check out this one, the 2020 Toyota Wigo 1.0 TRD-S variant. So Toyota just launched this updated Wigo earlier this year, and here are all the changes starting with the front. It has a new headlight, a new bumper with these new fog light housings. This being the TRD-S variant, you also get a new lip kit, which is exclusive. Now, let's go check out the side. Over at the side, the changes are quite subtle. In fact, the most obvious ones are these new 14-inch wheels. Although we can't see it, these side mirrors are now power folding as well. This being the TRD-S variant, you also get side skirts and a big TRD-S sticker to match, because why not? Now, let's go check out the rear. So here we are at the rear, and you can see the most obvious change on the 2021 Wigo, the taillights. They're now clear instead of the previous reds. They also added a new reverse camera and reverse sensors. This TRD-S variant also comes with a spoiler, a rear bumper extension, and a TRD badge, which may or may not add horsepower. It doesn't. Now, let's go check out the engine. So, under the hood, it's still the same 1-liter 3-cylinder engine from the 2014 model. It still produces 66 horsepower and 89 Newton meters of torque. This TRD-S variant is exclusive with a 4-speed automatic, but depending on what you get, you can also get a 5-speed manual. That completes the engine and the exterior. Now, let's go check out the inside. So here we are inside the Wigo, and as you can see, it's still the same familiar layout. There are new seat patterns though, as well as new sidings. In front of the driver, there's a new instrument cluster, and over here, there's a new infotainment system, which now has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and even voice command. Down here, gone are the dials, and in its place is a climate control unit. Just like before, you still get 2 cup holders down here and 1 in the center. Now, before I forget, this TRD-S variant does come with a dash cam and a push start button. Over at the back, you can still get the same seats, but with the new pattern as well. And that wraps up our quick tour of the interior of the 2020 Wigo. That's about it for a quick unboxing of the 2020 Toyota Wigo 1.0 TRD-S variant. Now, if you actually like this color, it's exclusive to the TRD-S, which retails for 700,000 Philippine pesos. Whether you like it or not, we leave that up to you. Or, as I can suggest, you wait for our full review, which is coming out very soon. If you enjoyed this video, please do give us a like down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram. That's about it for me. This has been Jose Altaveras for AutoIndustriya.com, and thank you for watching.